Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Baseball Training Academies. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a simple obstacle course I set up for myself. And I'm going to be doing it with my gear bag on my back. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so with this drill, I'm going to start at this cone here. I'm going to do shuffles down to that cone. I'm going to come back. I'm going to sprint back, then I'm going to back pedal my way down to the next cone. Once I get to there, I'm going to sprint back. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to go all the way to the end. And then I'm going to do a little footwork drill over there with the cones and the balls. Once I get all the way to the end, I'm going to start doing high knees in the ladder. Then I'm going to shuffle over to this cone in the next ladder and go in and out. And then once I get to here, I'm going to do a quick shuffle over to that cone, and that's going to be the end of that drill. So here's what it's gonna look like landing a big shot. Okay, so now you guys are gonna be attached to my chest, so I can show you what this circuit looks like from a first-person point of view. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here at this cone. I'm gonna shuffle over to here, then I'm gonna sprint forward to here. Now I'm gonna start backpedaling. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, from here I'm gonna sprint forward again. I'm gonna swipe the ground. I'm gonna go forward. Once I get to here, to this cone, I'm gonna do a quick shuffle. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get in my position to grab the ball. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna shuffle back over. I'm gonna go to the next one, grab the ball, throwing position, shuffle back. Okay, shuffle to the next cone, go forward, get ready to grab it, shuffle back. And one more time. Go forward to the ball, get ready to catch it, get ready to throw, shuffle back. Now, onto the ladder drills. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna do high knees, 2 feet in each one. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, now I'm gonna get to this cone. I'm gonna shuffle over. Now, right here is another ladder drill. I'm gonna start on the outside. I'm gonna go 1 foot in until both of them are in, and then I'm gonna go out. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, and then I get here, do a quick shuffle, and that's the end of my circuit. Okay, so now this is gonna be what it looks like in a third-person point of view. Okay, I'm getting ready here, and now I'm gonna go. Shuffle, shuffle, boom, sprint, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal, back pedal, burn down, sprint forward, swipe here, and a full sprint. Here, I'm going to shuffle over, go to the ball, boom, throwing position, shuffle back. Okay, next one over, boom, here, shuffle back. Next one, boom, pow, here, time, boom, here, and shuffle back. Now for the ladder drills, ready? Shuffle over to the next ladder. All right, and here we go. Next ladder. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm out. And now, simple shuffle over to the cone. And that completes my circuit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to recreate it, go ahead and try. Customize it to be comfortable to you. And that'll be all. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment for the next things that you want me to showcase. And that'll be all for now. See ya.